Ngiyanibingelela lonke Mzansi wase-South Africa. Ngiyenza le video because of ngifuna ukuxolisa. Ukufuna ukuthatha impilo yami, angase ngicabangela abantwana bami. Ngibe selfish. Ngicela ukuthi ngixolele kuko konke lokho Mzansi. Nami angizenzanga. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi benwabona amavidiyo wami ku-TikTok. Even though abantu bebakhomenta ngendlela bakhomenta ngayo, bengingabuza ubuhlungu by that time. But ngigcine sengibona ukuthi this thing le ibuhlungu. Angikhonanga ukucontrol imizwa yami. Angikwazanga ukucabangela abantwana bami, ngaba selfish. Kuko konke lokhu bekungizwisa ubuhlungu. But ngibonga uNkulunkulu wami engimkhonzayo nabezimu basekhaya ukuthi bangikhusele ngibe namandla ukuthi ngikhone ukudlula kulesi simo. Njengoba benwabona amavidiyo wami ku-TikTok guys, bengasinto yokudlala lento bengiyenza. Bengifuna usizo ngendlela engibona ukuthi ngingalithola ngakhona, but still angase ngilithole. I cannot go on social media ngikhuluma izinto ukuthi azikho, ukuthi ziyangidla and zibuhlungu. Guys, ngibasebenzela abantu beMoja Love and mina besides nginabantwana. Nginomamami ekumele ngabe ngiyamondla. Njengabo abantu engisebenza nabo kuMoja Love fana noDabula noMaseko. Abantu abafana nami kuleyo show, ama-main character. Njengoba baclaima kuma-social media ukuthi bona ba-happy, ba-right, baholile, abanankinga neMoja Love. Mina guys ngiqinisile nginayo inkinga neMoja Love. Abantu laba angibayenzanga nice guys, ngibasebenzele and ngabasebenzela clean. Ngaphandle kwento eziningi mhlampe ezingenza ukuthi ekugcineni bangiphathe ngale ndlela bangiphathe ngayo. So they failed to pay me imali yami. And ngisebenzile. The reason why bangafuni ukungibhadala angazi. The worst thing abafuna ukucommunicate nami, ba-communicate nomamami kulesimo lesi. I don't know why. Mengizwa bakhuluma nomamami, but it's because of mina ngiye ku-social media. I went to social media because of nginenyanga ngicommunicate nabo since October, bangangiphenduli, bangiblock. Azange bafuna ukukhuluma nami. Nginama-record enginawo efonini yomngani wami osemamelodi uTears. Beza kimi bangitshela ukuthi this thing lena singayilungisa. I come back at home. Babatshela ukuthi ngifikile ekhaya, abakasebenze ekhaya yithi. Ekugcineni bagcine bangibhula bangitshela the way ekhaya sihlupheke ngakhona. That is why ngihlanya ngiye kuma-social media ngifuna imali yami. I have to ukuthi ngiyilwele imali yami to the extent that bangisebenzise ngale ndlela ukuthi wherever that I shoot mina ngami it's a reality. Impilo yami unlike ama-content wabanye abantu abawafeyikayo. Eyami mina impilo bengi-expose for real for them to earn money in a company, but ekugcineni ke kwenzakalani? Abafuna ukungibhadala imali yami guys. Mina nginabantwana abayi-3 and I'm a single parent. Abantwana bami ngiyazondlela bona. Akekho omunye umuntu ongisizayo. Abantwana bami they went to Christmas bangana-next, banganakudla, banganayimpahla. Manje I have to ukuthi bayoregister esikolweni. Anginamali yokuthi bathenge even i-uniform, but mina I've worked hard for the company. Then now I receive nothing from them. And no reason ukuthi why they do that to me. I went to many broadcasters ukuthi bangisize, bangitshela ukuthi they are fully booked. Bona ngeke bakhona ukungisiza. Some of them you can see ukuthi babablockile. So guys, abantu laba bangibhule too much elifini. bangiphule too much elifini and bangiphendule umuntu engasi uyena. Like inhliziyo yami ayiseseyihle, izinto engizicabangayo azikho right. Kusho ukuthi abacabangeli nabantwana bami, abacabangeli imizwa yami. uDabula noMaseko anginandaba nabo because labo ba-very cheap. Labo ungabathenga ukuthi bathathe impilo yomunye umuntu, labo ungabathenga ukuthi bayenze nanoma yini, especially uma ukhuluma ngemali. So mina my useless thing ukuthi azange ngivume ngami because ngibona ukuthi this thing leyo ukuthi ngibasebenzele but I don't get nothing. Ifuture yami isamile. I didn't choose that. That is why ngila ngikhona manje. So mina please ngicela abantu laba bangibhadale imali yami so that I do my thing.
Yo, la video lena kusho ukuthi uMahlala Entabeni uyenze esephumile ke esibhedlela. Ngiyacabanga uyaxolisa ngalokho akwenzile since babeshilo ukuthi she tried to commit suicide. So yeah, ngidibana nale video ka TikTok you guys. That's Mahlala Entabeni, umuntu esasicabanga ukuthi ushonile njengoba kwakushiwo ukuthi ushonile, umndeni uyewa confirma emaphepheni. Babuye futhi bathi hayi cha akashonanga into ekanjalo. So ke siyambona nangakashonanga bafowethu Mahlala Entabeni. If you do watch Moja Love Channel 157, umndeni umamkhulu ke lapha ecomes umndeni kaMaseko. Maseko ke ubaba isangoma Onesithembu you guys. So yeah, bekumamkhulu lona ngizwi. I think dala ke mina ngagcina ukubuka umndeni ngaleso sikhathi kodwa ngisawubuka ngisawuthanda ngolandelela ya. Bekuyena umamkhulu wabo nokukhona onkanyezo Dabula. Kwakukhona ke laba abashona washona uyi-1 babengama siblings. uMalwandle and the other sister. Yo guys, so yeah. Ngata angazi ngithini. She's apologizing uthi akacabangelanga abantwana bakhe. Ubesenzwa zinhlungu ke lezazizwayo emva kokuthi ke uMoja Love bamtreat ngendlela bamtreat ngayo. That's what she's saying. So she's apologizing for everything else. South Africa, she's apologizing. That's Mahlala Entabeni you guys. Umuntu wethu nebesizwile ukuthi akasekho emhlabeni. There she is. Uyaziphilela nje bafethu. Mahlala Entabeni uphilile nje nangu. She's still crying. She's hurting of course. Angibonile caption esho ukuthi she's still recovering and all. She's crying throughout the video. So yeah, ayikonzima bafethu. Strength to Mahlala Entabeni, strength to her. I pray for her you guys ukuthi aqine. Yeah, ne? You anginamazwi you guys. But anyways, I thought I should bring the video since njengomuntu oke wenza ama video ngoMahlala Entabeni. Let me just bring this video yakhe exolisa ke ngalesenza senzile sokuzama ukuzibulala in all. So that sonke sizoba shosho nalaba kade mhlambe abangazange balibona udaba ukuthi umndeni uye wathi ayakashonanga bese ICU esesimene sibucayi bona bacabanga ukuthi ushonile. If you skipped that video at least mhlambe lena ke isizoclarify ukuthi Mahlala Entabeni uyaphila guys akashonanga. It's a pity though indaba engaka. Hey, asethemba uzorecover Nkosi yami. Uyabona useyinhlungweni uyakhala nje. Kushiwo ukuthi uthema evuka lapha ephuma ku-ICU wabuza ukuthi uMoja Love simkhokhelile yini imali yakhe. Futhi imali yakhe nje uyayifuna akadlali. Ufuna imali yakhe Mahlala Entabeni. Abamkhokhele bafethu, abamkhokhele umunye umntwana yo akunzima.